so lethal, it can cause you to have a heart attack minutes after being stung. But that's not all. Most jellyfish species just float around in ocean currents waiting for their next meal. But not the box jellyfish. Find out their nifty trick that sets them apart from other jellyfish. Box jellyfish are not to be messed with. They are the most lethal jellyfish in the world. And just one of them has enough venom to kill 60 people in 2 minutes. Box jellyfish are equipped with over 60 tentacles, and each with up to 5,000 stinging cells. The cells hold venom-containing capsules called nematocysts. This venom contains multiple toxins, but as of yet, experts aren't sure which one makes them so deadly. Proteins in the venom called porins can destroy red blood cells. This is one theory of why it's so lethal. Another study suggests that there are 2 distinct proteins that specifically attack heart cells. What we do know is the venom causes Irukandji syndrome. Symptoms include a lot of pain, nausea, and high blood pressure. As a result, it can lead to bleeding in the brain and, you guessed it, death. These are as deadly as they get. So what places should you avoid so you don't end up swimming with the fishes? Or should I say, jellyfishes? There are about 50 species of box jellyfish in the world, found in oceans around Indonesia, the Philippines, and Malaysia. They're also common in the coastal waters of northern Australia. They aren't deep ocean dwellers like other jellyfish. They prefer their home to be warm and shallow. And because of that, they can wash up on beaches, increasing the chances of humans being stung. It's difficult to give an accurate number of deaths caused by box jellyfish each year, but it's estimated that globally, 50 to 100 deaths are the result of stings. These numbers are almost impossible to track since many cases go unreported. For instance, in Timor-Leste, a country in Southeast Asia, villagers don't take victims to the hospital. Instead, they just bury them under a tree. But enough of how deadly they are. There are some amazing traits box jellyfish have over other species of jellyfish you may not have known. Instead of moving by ocean currents, you may be surprised to know that they can actually swim, which kind of makes them scarier. Researchers believe they actively hunt for prey like shrimp and small fish. And if you're going hunting, you're going to need some way of looking for them, right? Unlike other species, box jellyfish have eyes. And not just 2 eyes, oh no! They have 24 simple and complex eyes that help them see. Then, the cherry on top. They can be rather large. The biggest is the Australian box jellyfish with its body that can measure 30 centimeters in diameter and tentacles up to 3 meters long. With all these traits added up, we're talking about a real-life sea monster here. But they're not the only creature to be careful of when taking a dip. Watch out for the Portuguese man-o'-war. They might be jellyfish imposters, but their stings can be just as painful. They are one of the ocean's deadliest animals and can hunt for their prey. That's what box jellyfish do, and that's what makes them crazy.